Hey guys, it's your boy PC Pet, and let's go talk some business. As we're gonna make sure that we're gonna get some muted, we're gonna sell some TRX at Bitmart, and then we're gonna go and fund our card. So I'm gonna take you on a tour with me, guys. Bear with me, and let's do this together. As you can see, this is Bitmart, my spot account. I just finished a new trade, so it went up a little bit. I went like 50x on. Oh, now it's not loading anymore. 24 cents. It went like 50x on XRP. We're gonna trade some TRX. I believe I got that in my balance here. As you can see, $212 of TRX. We're gonna go here, and I think I'm just gonna go sell it for the market price, because then I just have it directly. So we're gonna go and sell it for $105. We're gonna sell this TRX. And we are gonna sell it for 450. Nah, let's just do the market. Nice. And then we're gonna make it for the sell. We're gonna go sell this TRX. And we're gonna wait a little bit. 1500. Let's just sell for the market price. Market price, it's faster, you know. Wanna make a video, of course. 1500. 50%. Sell the TRX. Order done. You're gonna go here. And you can see sold it a little bit for less, but we're gonna go and continue. Now we're gonna go here and gonna press UTED. UTED. And you can see that I am going to be needing USDT for that. And if there is, I got some USDT now. So we are gonna go and buy it. What's the chart doing? Let's put it on 30 minutes. What's the chart doing? It's going down a little bit. So it is 0.002. Price, best market price. I'm just gonna go and complete it by UTED. Bought $104 of UTED, I believe. Let's refresh, check it out. For this, I can say, there, I'll make it back with trading. Okay, but at least my movie is finished now. We're gonna go hide the zero balances. And you can see that I got some UTED, $103. That's nice. We're gonna go and gonna click it here. No, this is UTED. Well, at least it's going up now. We're gonna go like here, go to the dashboard, and I believe this is United. We're gonna go this. Click the bicycles, guys. No. Okay, we click the bicycles. Account created. We're in the process of an alternative card. We're working quickly to resolve the issue. Okay, thank you very much. We're gonna be needing to deposit United. So we're gonna go click here. We're gonna go press the withdraw button. And we are gonna go to send through crypto network. We're gonna do XLM because it's the XLM network. UTED wallet address. Be sure to copy your stuff. So we're gonna go with like this. And we're gonna go enter or paste the address and also do the memo. It's important to do memo to make sure that your money is going to appear where you want it to. You can see that the UTED memo, we're going to be doing that also. And we are gonna go do the memo and we're gonna do the maximum 714 fee of UTED. And as you can see that it is going to this address, it's going with that memo, and we are going to confirm. I just received an email verification. We're gonna go like this. This is another one. Then we're gonna go like this, and it will show that. One second, guys. PTC Pet has received a confirmation. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, guys. I was a little bit of a noob. Still had to send it. Okay, then. That makes it a lot easier to receive. Okay, then to the normal inbox. Bitmart verification code. Also send me an SMS. I love it that I have to approve everything before I withdraw. resend, go to SMS, and code also received. And then we continue. Withdrawal order created success. So now we have just funded our United wallet. As you can see, it is processing. Let me take a screen for this, and I believe a friend of mine is going to be happy with this. We're going to be pausing our video now, of course, because it's going to have to show up. And we will speak in a little bit, guys. Well, it took a bit, but of course, as you can see now, here is a spendable balance. I've sent my funds from Bitmart and I've sent them to here. And as you can see, like, it's a bonus. Also, they have like a service that, of course, if you're gonna invite some friends, you're gonna earn $9.13. And this is like $10, you know. So that is also definitely interesting. And what we got more is that you can invite through email, you can invite through your own link. And for me, I just wrote the support because it says that I cannot activate my card. But of course, it's a step-by-step process, guys. This is a little bit how to fund and how to do everything with United and Bitmart. Thanks a lot for watching. We're going to bring more videos. And also, let's keep making money together, guys.